Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide a pin on Pinterest. So whether or not you have something of your interest or you're exploring something on Pinterest, you can easily hide whatever pin that you come across that you don't want to show. Right, so let me go ahead and scroll down here. And let's say I really don't want to see anything with eggs. All I have to do is simply go ahead and hover over this particular post or pin and click the three dots on the lower right hand side, and there's an option to hide. Once I click on this, it's going to go ahead and hide. And here it just basically wants us to tell us why. You can say it's not relevant to me or whatever reason you want to choose. Go ahead and simply click whatever option. It could be other. I'm just going to choose one of the options here, and that's it. Then this pin is now hidden. And that's it, guys. You can always go ahead and undo that if you so desire as well. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.